that opportunity. Everyone's why you get. Gotta keep your shoes laced up. Walk them miles a day. The clock's ticking, only have a few seconds left. Time's running out, ask yourself, where the hell do I go to next? That money, the fortune and fame, bitches are always you thinking you made. People look up to you, the ones that they fake. Fuck it, we all make mistakes. Finally see me running around, it's a brand new.
What's up everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is going to be a super quick video. It's really just a straightforward install of Overland Designs, the Alcantara pillars right here. So they just go as the shifter columns, just like that on that side, and then obviously you have the left side too. So it's in here. Let me take it out real quick actually. Sorry, the car is just heating up, but cold start. Here it is right here, y'all. So that's it. That's all we're doing today. It's a really quick video. Just going to obviously do the installation process, show you guys how these come out, how these go in, and bada bang, bada boom, we're done with the video. So if you guys could please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Love you all. Thank you for the new subscribers. Appreciate you guys. And stay tuned. We got a lot more videos, longer videos than this one coming up. So yeah, let's get this over with y'all. Skylyfe. All right, so got our trim removal tool here. We're just gonna go in here a little bit. Should pop up. Like so. There's one. Get out of the way. All right, you guys can see it. Just gonna simply pop in. Maybe not. All right, there we go. Almost in, you guys. Hold it. All right. There we go. There's one. All right. Second one. This is a little difficult. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go, guys. That one took a while. It was like stuck up here under this trim right here. All right, guys, here's the second piece. Should just clip in right there. like so. And I'm just push a little bit more here. There we go. No dents, no spaces. I think we're good to go. All right, here's the final look installed, left and right. Shifter columns in Alcantara. Obviously matches the OEM Alcantara on the, I believe it's the 20 and 21 type bars only. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but yeah. So that's what it looks like. Let's get a little closer here. Beautiful. Love it. Oh yeah, it also matches that red stitching right there too, on from the seats. Sick. Simple video, you guys. Just wanted to show you this. I think it really makes it look a lot nicer. I was gonna do carbon fiber, right, but I decided not to go with carbon fiber, do Alcantara to match this, also from Overland Designs. So I didn't show you guys this, but this is the new gauge visor. This literally took probably, I don't know, like 8 minutes to get the clips off, and then this just pops right on. So I didn't think I needed a video for that. But anyways, all matching now, and I think it's really dope. I am gonna get these right here. Let me show you, get the camera over there. These right here in Alcantara as well, from Overland Designs. They also make these right here, so they just pop off with the simple trim removal tool right here. Just go up under here and pop them off and put the new ones on, just like we did here with the shifter column. So yep. All right, y'all, well, that's all I have for this video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please hit that like button. Greatly appreciate it. Really helps out the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Until next time, guys, another video. And keep moving forward, man. Never give up. Don't hesitate for a damn thing. Count your blessings every single day. Never let anybody tell you what to do. Control your own life, man. Skylyfe Projects. Let's go.